Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot pepper sauce. Making your own hot sauce is a rewarding experience, allowing you to customize flavors and heat levels. We'll cover everything from selecting your peppers to bottling the final product. You'll learn how to create a vibrant, flavorful sauce that can be enjoyed for many months. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a fiery condiment. First, carefully wash your chosen peppers and remove their stems. It's wise to wear gloves to protect your hands from the capsaicin. Next, chop the peppers, along with any additional vegetables like garlic or onions, into small pieces. For a deeper, more complex flavor, you might choose to ferment your peppers in a salt brine for anywhere from 3 days to 2 weeks before cooking. Now combine your chopped peppers, along with 1 cup of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt, in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes until the peppers are tender. Once cooked, carefully transfer the mixture to a blender. Blend until it reaches your desired smooth consistency, adding a little more vinegar or water if needed. After blending, you can strain the sauce through a fine mesh sieve for an extra smooth texture, or leave it as is for a thicker consistency. Next, carefully pour your hot sauce into clean, sterilized bottles or jars. Ensure they are sealed tightly. Your delicious homemade hot sauce is now ready to be enjoyed. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will keep well for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.